Hi friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show a demo on how to read data from test document source and write it into database tables after deleting last unnecessary rows in a SSIS package. So first I will show my source document. This is my country text document. It contains ID and name, and there are 17 rows related to country. So here at the end after 17 rows, there are some two additional lines which is not related to data also there in the source document. So there are sometimes you may get these scenarios. In addition to the required data, you find some unnecessary stuff in the end of the document. So at that time, this package it is very useful. I will show how to delete these two rows and before these 17 rows getting loaded into the database table. So there are two additional lines are there. Now I will show my database table. This is my country database. It is also having same country name and country ID. ID is related to int, and whereas name country name is uh, varchar type and the length is 20. So here I am loading from the 17 rows into this table after running the package. For that, I am creating new package. Before that, so here in this package, I am taking the two tasks here. One is script task, which read the data from the input source, and second one is data flow task to write the data into the SQL table. Before that, I am creating two variables. Two variables I need to create here. First one is file path. File path is nothing but the document of the country text document. For that, I'm taking the address of the text document, copy, paste it in value, and second I'm taking here is how many rows we need to delete here that from the source document. Two. For that, I'm taking deleted rows. Delete rows, delete number of rows. So data type is int. So here I'm mentioning it two. Delete rows is the another variable. I want to delete two rows from the source document. Close it. Now you drag the script task. Double click to configure. Select read only variable. Two variables. Which those variables we already created. I am selecting those two variables. First one here is taking file path, and second one delete rows. Click OK. Delete rows, file path. So edit script. So the window is getting open now. Now here I want to add two namespaces. First one is using system.io. Second one is using system.link. So first one system.io earlier also we added many times script task. So which is used to read the files and folders in your D drive in your computer system. Second one is system link is the namespace which is used to read the data of the different read the data from the different formats of your input source. So after that you need to directly go to public void main method, and I already read one script and just paste the entire script inside the public void main. And here we need to First one is delete rows. Yeah, we need to check your variables. Delete rows, delete rows, delete rows. Wherever there is a delete last rows, delete rows, and here also delete rows, delete last rows. So here now I am explaining the code. First we will declare the file path string variable and convert it into um, DTS variables value to string, and second one also delete rows is the other local variable and convert it into delete dot rows. So this is the integer type. That's why we use the convert method. So in third line we used to declare some string array and variable name is local variable name is lines, and this lines in, by using the file class method we need to read all lines from the file path. After that array is the class and which reverse the lines, whatever the string array we mentioned the local variable lines, it will reverse entire lines. And by using this skip method, skip class, we used to delete the rows. Delete rows. How many rows we use? We mentioned already two in variable. At the time of the declaring the variable method, we mentioned already two lines, two rows we need to delete. So, and again it will reverse the this entire lines string. After that, system.io.streamwriter is one, one class is there. So I am taking one file name and creating one new system io.streamwriter class and mention the file path within the streamwriter class. Then I wrote for each string line in lines. This is for each method. File dot write line. Write line is the one of the method in file class. The file local variable and write line method. In write line method, I passed the line local variable line. So after that file dot close. So it is if you want to carefully understood this 6 lines 7 lines of code. So this is very easy. So first 3 lines is automatically we used to write for every task program whenever we use the SSIS package. So these two, this is somewhat different in this package, and the rest of the thing we already know. For each file, also we know the write line method is the is the new method. We used to understand this write line method, how to pass the variable inside the write line method. So after writing this entire code and save this code and close that window and click OK. Now task configuration is done. If you execute this code, we came to know how to delete the unnecessary rows from the input source document. I'm running this package now. Now before that, I make sure once again, after 17 rows, there are 2 lines which is not related to the data. Go and check those 2 lines here. Yeah, I'm executing this package now. Yeah. Package runs successfully, and go and check your input folder. Earlier, there are 17 rows. After 17 rows, there is some data. Now there is no data. So I'm again write the data. Some unnecessary country data from the client. Save it. Now the so far this is package. Whatever we used to write the code, that the entire thing is worked out. So now I am using the data flow task to load the data. To load the data, and for that double click. From this onwards, this is a very regular process. First, you will take the flat file source because our source, my source is text document. I am using the flat file source. Double click to configure. Go to new, browse, the country text document and columns. So see here, last two lines are unnecessary. There is there. Now I am changing by compatibility to my destination tables, data types. Here I am changing the length of the data type as 20. Preview is there, and columns. So configuration is done. Now I am driving the OLDB destination. Double click to configure and take new. So admin is server name and sample is my database. Click OK and select the table. The table which we want to load is country table. Go to mappings. In mappings and change the name, source name as name to map with the destination column name, country name. So everything is finished. Now after running this package, the two unnecessary lines in the source documents were deleted first. After deleting the two unnecessary lines, remaining 17 rows are loaded into the data floaters, to database tables. Now I am running the package. Yeah, package ran successfully. First you go to source document. In source document, after 17 rows there is no data here. So that means two rows are deleted by using the script as code. Now you go to database tables and execute the database tables. Here 17 rows are getting loaded. So this is how you need to load the data after deleting some unnecessary stuff in your source document by using the script task and by loading the data by using the data flows. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.